Welcome to a quick video on creating accessible PDFs. In this video, we will go over 5 characteristics of an accessible PDF, including document description and language, recognizable text, tab order, document tags, and alt text. The first characteristic we're going to address is document description and language. Open a PDF and go to File and Properties. In the Document Properties window, add a title and author to the document. On the Advanced tab, select the language of the PDF. When you are finished, select OK, and you've taken care of setting your document description and language. The next characteristic is recognizable text. This means that a screen reader could recognize all of the text in a PDF. In your PDF, use Control or Command F. This opens the Find feature, and type in a word that you know is going to be in your document. If it shows up, you know you have recognizable text. This feature is useful for both sighted and non-sighted users. If you are unable to highlight any of your words using Control or Command F, you will need to OCR your document, which means optical character recognition. So it converts the text and images from your document into an editable and readable format. Your first step is to go to the Tools area. Select Text Recognition, and then select In this file. Select OK and follow the prompts that Acrobat gives you. Additionally, you can go into the Action Wizard, which is under the Tools area, and select Make Accessible, and then choose Recognize Text using OCR. Your next characteristic is the tab order, which assigns a reading order to your PDF. First, find the tab order icon and select it. This brings you to the order page. When you expand a page, you can see the reading order, 1 being the first thing a screen reader would read, 2 the second, 3, so on. While you can't make adjustments on the order page, you can make any adjustments in the Document Tags area. The next characteristic is document tags. Find and select the tag button. Expand the tags so that you can see how the document is structured. This defines the reading order, identifies headings, paragraphs, sections, tables, and other page elements. If something is not correct, you can drag and drop to change the reading order. The last characteristic we're going to cover is providing alt text for non-text elements. Any non-decorative images you have in your PDF should have alt text to describe what it is. It should not be the file name of the image, but instead describing the content of the image. If this feels overwhelming, know that there is an accessibility checker in Adobe Acrobat Pro you can use to check on your PDFs. In the Tools area, select Make Accessible from the Action Wizard. Go through the steps under Prepare and Set Language and Tags, and then run the accessibility check. Select everything you want the accessibility check to cover, and then select Start. The accessibility checker will give you your results on your screen. Expand each area where there are issues. Fix each item on the list and run the accessibility checker again. Then you should have a fully accessible document. For more information on creating accessible PDFs, or for additional resources, please visit accessibility.umn.edu.